Naples. More than 2,500 years of history. The past is not distant. It remains present in gestures, in places, in the way people live. The city has been part of empires, has changed hands over time, but never lost its identity. And maybe that's why it recognizes itself in certain stories, like Maradona's. He arrived in the 1980s when southern Italy still lived in the shadow of the north. He did more than play football. He changed how the city saw itself. He brought titles, but more importantly, respect. That's why he remains. On walls, in conversations, in the collective memory of the people who live here. Naples does not separate past and present. It blends them and keeps moving forward.